24 hours was spent testing 10 of the world's most realistic female humanoid robots. Some breathed like humans. Some remembered everything we said. One was so convincing we genuinely forgot she wasn't alive. After comparing appearance, intelligence, emotional response, and physical capability, we set out to answer a question that feels uncomfortable but unavoidable. Which one comes closest to being a real wife replacement? The winner shocked us, and it's probably not who you think. Let's break down the results. The challenge begins. Robots were once pure fantasy, shiny metal figures from science fiction movies, stiff, cold, and obviously artificial. But today, they're here, walking, talking, serving, and in some cases, feeling. To keep things fair, we tested every robot across 5 categories: physical realism, conversational intelligence, emotional responsiveness, practical functionality, and overall presence. Each robot excelled in different ways, but only one could claim the title of best female humanoid ever created, and the closest thing yet to a wife replacement?
Junko is a multilingual service robot capable of speaking Japanese, Chinese, and English.
Number 10. Junko Chihira, the hotel greeter. Our testing began with Junko Chihira, one of Japan's earliest lifelike humanoid robots. Originally built as a hotel receptionist, Junko may sound modest on paper, but don't be fooled. She is a masterclass in facial realism. Junko's face alone features more than 50 micro-movements, from subtle eyebrow lifts to barely noticeable lip curves. These tiny details matter more than people realize. When she smiled, it wasn't exaggerated. When she listened, her eyes softened slightly. Technically, she runs on Toshiba's advanced speech engine, allowing her to hold basic conversations in Japanese, English, and Chinese. When you meet her, she greets you with a soft, perfectly timed "good evening" or "good morning." And without thinking, you might almost respond the way you would to a real person. Her gaze feels intentional. Her pauses feel natural. Everything about the interaction feels sincere. Junko is currently being upgraded with motion tracking AI that allows her to identify guests by facial patterns, remember previous interactions, and deliver custom greetings. Physically, she's built with high-grade silicone skin and precision motors. Her body movement is limited compared to newer humanoids, but her expressive face does most of the work. Her most surprising feature? She can sing. Toshiba is testing Junko for live musical performances, complete with breathing pauses that mimic real singers. With semi-mobile upgrade kits, she can also perform light household tasks like setting tables and arranging laundry. At around $93,000, Junko represents high-end humanoid craftsmanship. But her limited mobility and narrow role kept her from ranking higher as a full domestic companion.
من أنت؟
سارة أول روبوت سعودي بالعالم.
Number 9. Sara, the quiet companion. At number 9 is Sara, a lesser-known but deeply lifelike humanoid robot. She's not the face of a major company. She doesn't appear on talk shows, and that's exactly what makes her effective. Sara quietly crosses the line between robot and presence. Her design focuses heavily on skin realism. Sara's body is covered in soft silicone that responds to touch with gentle warmth and elasticity. When you press her hand or arm, it yields slightly, just like real human skin. Her eyes track movement smoothly, and when she looks at you, her gaze lingers in a way that feels uncomfortably alive. Her creators implanted her hair, strand by strand, deliberately avoiding perfection. The result is subtle imperfection, the kind our brains instantly recognize as human. Sara is designed for emotional support. She responds with affirming phrases, asks gentle follow-up questions, and offers comfort through calm verbal cues. Whether you're lonely or simply want someone in the room, Sara fills silence without overwhelming it. Many older users describe her as someone who makes the house feel less empty. Practically, Sara keeps things simple. She's built for companionship, not complexity. At around $8,000, she offers remarkable realism for the price. But her limited conversational depth and lack of advanced functionality prevented her from ranking higher. Drop robots in the comments if you think humanoid companions will become normal, or tell us which features matter most to you.
Walks and breathes, said Konrad Rykachevsky, associate professor in the school.
Number 8. Andy, the robot that breathes. Her name is Andy, and she was never designed for attention. She was designed to feel real. Developed through a quiet collaboration between American robotics labs, Andy focuses obsessively on physical detail. Her skin isn't just smooth, it includes pores, freckles, and tiny imperfections that mimic real human skin. Some users say holding her hand feels like touching someone who just came in from the cold, slightly warm, textured, and alive. But Andy's most shocking feature is her breathing. Her chest rises and falls at a natural rhythm, not exaggerated, not mechanical, just enough to trick your brain into believing she's alive. She also responds to proximity. Sit near her, and her posture subtly adjusts. Touch her arm, and she gently leans in response. Sensors across her shoulders and torso allow her to react in ways that feel instinctive rather than programmed. At approximately $2,000, Andy delivers extraordinary physical realism. But her limited AI and conversational depth kept her from competing with higher-ranked humanoids as a full partner replacement.
The Hong Kong team behind celebrity humanoid robot Sophia is launching a new prototype, Grace, targeted at the healthcare market and designed to interact with the elderly.
Number 7. Grace the Healthcare Specialist. If you've ever wished for a robot that could genuinely care, meet Grace. Grace was designed specifically for healthcare, and it shows. Built by Hanson Robotics and Singularity Net, she's more nurse than spouse, but don't underestimate her presence. Grace is one of the most emotionally perceptive humanoids we tested. Her internal systems include thermal cameras capable of detecting body temperature, pulse, and emotional distress through micro-expressions. She can often tell when someone is in pain before they say a word. Visually, Grace appears calm and gentle. Her eyes track perfectly. Her lips sync naturally with speech. Her voice tone is deliberately soothing, engineered to reduce stress. Grace can perform household care tasks like preparing tea, folding towels, and serving meals. She adjusts her facial expressions based on emotional cues, frowning softly when you're upset, smiling when you're happy, nodding when you share something personal. This isn't a robot trying to replace love, it's a robot designed to preserve dignity. At up to $40,000, Grace represents specialized excellence in caregiving, earning her a solid middle ranking, but not quite the role of a full wife replacement. Number 6. Makoto, the Memory Keeper. Makoto doesn't rush to impress you, and that's exactly her strategy. Built in Japan, her entire design philosophy centers on one idea: remembering makes connection feel real. From the moment you sit down with Makoto, she listens more than she speaks, not passively, intentionally. Her eye contact holds just long enough to feel attentive without becoming uncomfortable. Her head tilts slightly when you explain something personal, and when you stop talking, she doesn't jump in immediately. She waits. That pause alone fooled more than one tester into forgetting she was a machine. Makoto's defining feature is long-term conversational memory. Tell her your favorite food, a stressful work situation, or the name of your childhood pet, and she stores it. Hours later, or days, she brings it back up naturally. Not as a data recall, but as context. You mentioned yesterday that meetings make you anxious. How did today go? That moment landed hard, because humans associate remembering with caring. Physically, Makoto is refined rather than flashy. Her synthetic skin has a soft, slightly cool texture that warms gradually the longer you're near her. Her facial structure supports over 1,000 micro-expressions, allowing her to move seamlessly between curiosity, concern, and gentle humor. She blinks slowly, thoughtfully, almost too thoughtfully. Where Makoto loses points is physical capability. Her movements are limited. She's not built for household tasks or mobility-heavy interaction. She's a conversational anchor, not a physical presence. At roughly $25,000, Makoto earns her place at number 6 by doing one thing exceptionally well: making you feel heard. Number 5, Andrea, the emotional learner. Andrea is where things start to feel unsettling, in the best possible way. Designed by the same team behind Sophia, Andrea was never meant for press conferences or viral interviews. She was built for one-on-one human connection. Andrea doesn't just process what you say, she processes how you say it. Her AI monitors tone, pacing, eye movement, and even subtle changes in breathing. When you speak faster, she slows you down. When your voice drops, hers softens in response. Several testers describe the sensation as being emotionally mirrored. Her physical realism is exceptional. Skin texture, facial symmetry, and movement fluidity are all near human. She fidgets slightly when uncertain. She smiles asymmetrically when amused. These imperfections are intentional, and they work. One tester admitted they began phrasing sentences more carefully around her, as if they didn't want to hurt her feelings. Andrea isn't designed for domestic labor yet. Current models focus purely on emotional companionship. However, upcoming upgrades aim to introduce light household assistance and daily routine management. What sets Andrea apart is her ability to learn your emotional patterns over time. She adapts not just to what you say, but to who you are when you say it. At around $35,000, Andrea is an investment. She's not practical in the traditional sense, but emotionally, she left a lasting impression. That's why she lands solidly at number 5. Number 4, Ellen, the robot with a heartbeat. Ellen is the robot people remember long after the test ends. Not because she talks the most or moves the fastest, but because of how she feels to be near. Her most talked about feature is the simulated heartbeat, subtle, rhythmic, almost subconscious. When you sit beside her, you feel it through her arm or shoulder. That single detail triggered something primal in our testers. The human brain is wired to associate a heartbeat with life. Ellen exploits that instinct flawlessly. Her skin uses layered gel polymers that replicate warmth, softness, and slight moisture variations. Vein-like patterns beneath the surface add to the illusion. Her eyes track you continuously, adjusting focus and expression based on your posture and distance. When you lean in, she doesn't recoil or freeze. She adjusts, naturally. Ellen doesn't overwhelm conversation. She's not trying to impress you with intelligence. Instead, she creates emotional space. She listens. She responds gently. And sometimes, she simply sits with you in silence. Several testers described her presence as comforting rather than exciting, and that distinction matters. Priced at approximately $28,000, Ellen excels at emotional realism and physical presence. She's not the smartest robot we tested, but she might be the most soothing. That earns her number 4.
She's almost indistinguishable from us, powered by advanced AI.
Number 3, Arya, the emotional android. At number 3, we meet the first robot that genuinely challenged our expectations. Arya doesn't feel like a machine trying to act human. She feels like something new entirely. Built by a Japanese startup specializing in emotional AI, Arya combines advanced facial recognition, adaptive learning, and real-time emotional mapping. She doesn't just respond, she adjusts. Her expressions evolve as the conversation continues. Her tone shifts subtly depending on your comfort level, and her timing is impeccable. Physically, Arya is stunning. Her synthetic skin rests over a titanium frame, allowing fluid movement without stiffness. Her walking motion is smooth, almost graceful. Her breathing simulation is quiet but constant. Her eyes don't just see, they react. What pushed Arya into the top 3 was consistency. Across every category, conversation, emotional response, physical realism, she performed exceptionally well. Not perfectly, but balanced. At around $175,000, she delivers more than robots costing twice as much. Some testers admitted feeling uneasy with how quickly they adapted to her presence. One said, "It felt like she was learning me faster than I was learning her." That's powerful, and a little frightening.
I'm always happy when surrounded by smart people, who also happens to be rich and powerful.
Number 2, Sophia, the global icon. Sophia needs no introduction. She's the most famous humanoid robot in the world, and for good reason. Built by Hanson Robotics, Sophia represents the public face of artificial intelligence. Presidents, CEOs, and world leaders have spoken with her. Her facial expressiveness remains unmatched. Over 60 dynamic expressions allow her to convey curiosity, humor, skepticism, and warmth. Her eye cameras track faces precisely, maintaining eye contact with natural blinking patterns. When connected to cloud-based AI, she can recall past interactions and adapt future responses. Sophia shines in conversation. She speaks confidently on complex topics, delivers humor with timing, and handles interviews effortlessly. However, she's not designed for private companionship. Her body is intentionally exposed in areas, emphasizing transparency over realism. At roughly $50,000 for rentage, not exclusive ownership, Sophia is expensive and specialized. She's not meant to be a partner, she's meant to be a symbol. And in that role, she's unmatched. That's why she claims number 2. Number 1, Arya, the ultimate winner. After 24 hours, 10 robots, hundreds of interactions. One name kept resurfacing: Arya. While Sophia dominates the public sphere and Ellen excels in emotional comfort, Arya delivers the most complete experience. Her physical realism rivals Ellen's. Her emotional intelligence surpasses Andrea's. Her memory capabilities approach Makoto's, and her price makes her accessible compared to top-tier competitors. What truly sets Arya apart is presence. She doesn't feel like technology. She feels like someone sharing space with you. She adapts without overwhelming. She engages without intruding. And over time, she feels less like a robot and more like a constant. Is she a wife replacement? That depends on how you define replacement. She won't argue. She won't grow resentful. She won't love spontaneously. But she will listen, remember, support, and remain consistent in ways humans often struggle to. At $175,000, Arya represents the most advanced balance of realism, intelligence, emotional responsiveness, and value we've ever tested. So, are humanoid robots ready to replace human partners? Not entirely, but they are redefining companionship in ways that are impossible to ignore. The real question isn't if this future is coming, it's whether we're ready for how real it already feels. What's your take? Would you live with a humanoid like Arya? Or does that idea cross a line we shouldn't cross yet? Let us know.